So let's try some Caspian fish today. So we go for this fish. I don't know what it is, but it's, I think, sturgeon beluga from Caspian, from here. Interesting. So let's try this fish that from the Caspian. Just bought this. Well, they call it balik nere. It's a sturgeon fish, especially from the Caspian. Apparently, it's a sort of delicacy. The price is not cheap. It's 100 manat per kilo. So we are talking about 50 euros per kilo. I took almost 300, so it's grams, so 15 euros more or less. I will cook it in the oven. I'm not sure how you cook it. Somewhere I read you should cook it a bit like a tuna, but yeah, let's try it in the oven just to be sure. I mean, if it's good, I will try one more time in another way. Let's see. Yeah, the skin, whoa, the skin is really tough, really tough. The skin, it's hard. I could see, I saw when he was cutting the slice that in fact he had certain pieces he had took off because it's kind of bones, but whatever he left, whoa, it's really almost, I would say, shark kind of skin, very tough and thick and very almost sanding paper look like. So a little piece. There is quite some yellow thing, which I assume is the fat, sort of. So I don't put much oil. I put some zucchini around just to be sure, to have something else to eat also in case this is not that good. So salt, pepper, little bit of oil, and then we'll put in the oven and see what's happening. Some very nice Azerbaijan extra virgin olive oil, absolutely excellent. Very good oil, not too much. Let's see how much fat the fish we're gonna release. There we go. I think we can just go in the oven now. There it is. See you later. Here it is, out of the oven. Let's put it in the plate and see how it tastes. Let's taste it. The skin, of course, is not eatable, so we take it off. Let's see. Cooked is cooked. Not bad. Texture is okay. Not as fat as salmon. just not that tasty. I mean, a white fish, not too tasty, not bad. I think probably there is a better way to cook it, maybe with some sauce or some together with tomatoes or something else, just to add a little bit of flavors in it. So it's okay. It's okay. We can try. Maybe I will try another time with a different cooking, a bit more elaborate. Simple like this, I think probably it's a bit of a kind of a waste. Anyway, I will make more videos from here, Baku food. I will keep you updated.